Hey first graders, today we're going to do a quick activity about data and graphing. Okay, doing these kinds of things, learning how to graph, can help you understand data or understand numbers a lot better. Okay, so let's get started. So for the first part of this activity, we're actually going to tally up all of our bugs we see here. So first thing I'm going to do is find our ladybugs. Okay, and we got to count how many ladybugs we have. Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So I'm going to make 6 tallies and make them right over here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay? What I'm also going to do is cross them off here so I know that I've already counted them. Okay, this is a good way to make sure that you count every single thing in your data so that you don't miss it or count the wrong number. Okay? So I crossed off 4, 5, 6. Perfect. Now I am going to start by counting my next one. Let's count the caterpillars. 1, 2, 3. So I'm going to put 1, 2, 3 tallies. Remember, after that you want to cross off the ones you've already used so you don't miss any or don't count any twice. Okay? Next, you count the butterflies. 1, 2, 3. So 3 tallies. 1, 2, 3. I'm going to cross those ones off too. And this will make it really easy for the last thing you count to make sure you count the right number. So our last one is bumblebees. Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. I'm going to cross those off. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, now look, are all the little insects crossed off? They are, so I know I counted all of them. Okay, now we're going to use our tallies to help us graph better. This makes graphing a lot easier. Instead of counting each of these and graphing as we go, I can just look at the tally number. So for my ladybugs, I have 6 tallies, so I'm going to color in 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. All the way down. When you do this, you can definitely color in a lot better, but it's kind of hard to color on video like this, okay? Let's look at our next one, caterpillars. We have 1, 2, 3, so I'm going to count 1, 2, 3, and color those ones in. Our next bug is a butterfly, and of butterflies we have 1, 2, 3, 2. 1, 2, 3. It's always a good idea to count as you go so you don't go too far or not far enough. Okay? And our last one is bumblebees. So I'm going to count. We have 4, so I'm going to count 1, 2, 3, 4 bumblebee boxes. Your graph probably look a lot nicer than mine because, again, it's kind of hard to draw with a pen on a smart notebook like this. Okay? But now we have a graph of all of our insects. Okay, which one do you think has the most? It's super easy to tell because our graph shows the biggest bar means there's the most insects. Which one has the least? Well, that's easy to tell too because you look at the shortest bar on the graph. And it looks like the least amount was caterpillars and butterflies. Okay? Friends, that's it for our lesson today about graphing. You can go on to Seesaw to finish the activity today.